I want to thank each and every one of you for your incredible speeches today. You shared some deeply personal stories. Some were very well delivered, funny. You were all excellent. Your hard work, creativity, and confidence was very inspiring. But now is the moment that we've all been waiting for. And the winner of the speech competition in our room is Vladislav Harema from St. Regis Secondary.
And as I announce the students who are going to be advancing to the final round, I ask that you please hold your applause until the end. And just going in order of our preliminary round rooms, the finalists are from the main room, Laura He from RE Mountain Secondary School, from room A, Vladislav Harema from St. Regis Secondary School, from room B,